Good morning, everyone. I'm Daniel Palencia. This is Chaiwanan, and we'll present Flock Tracker, digital tools for in-field data collection. Imagine you're a citizen of Dhaka, Bangladesh. Every time you need to go to a new place in the city, you cannot find any information available about the transportation system. And if you don't know anyone that knows how to get there, you spend a lot of time trying to find your way to that place, or you just end up not going. Lots of people are frustrated with this, and you know already a group of people that are willing to collect information with you. What do? Do you give them pen and paper, or do you download some apps, or do you buy devices to do this? That's what many teams end up doing in the field. And managing all the information collected from all these sources is very painful. This is why we developed Flock Tracker. It's a digital tool to democratize in-field data collection. Our team is a very diverse team based in Singapore and Boston, coming from very different backgrounds, from software development and data analytics to design and urban planning. And we found through our own experiences and the experiences of our peers that technology research and development and data collection for this kind of projects is very painful for the people that are doing it. That's why we developed these tools on Flock Tracker. With Flock Tracker, you can create your projects, you can collect information, you can visualize the information, and you also can explore other projects. With the project builder, you can customize the data collection project based on your needs. You can trace the movement of the people collecting the information. You can add surveys, and you can also add counters to quickly count elements in the field. Thanks to an already tested user experience design, the training of the people that are collecting the information is faster. And you can also collect the information collaboratively and even in a crowdsourced way. And we also allow for other media to be collected, like pictures. You can also manage better your team because you can know exactly where they are. You can contact them directly, and you can also know what information they're collecting live. You can, this is the visualization, sorry, about the information collected live.
So with information collected with Flock Tracker, it's possible, these kind of projects have been made possible. So in this case, people in Bangladesh, Dhaka, went out and rode informal bus routes and collected information, and we were able to create the first bus map of Dhaka. In another project here in Mexico City, we were talking to passengers on the buses and asking how safe they feel while we were passing by different neighborhoods. And this helped us to identify places where people feel safe and unsafe in the city. Once you have exported the data in an Excel sheet, it's really easy to visualize the movement of the people who were using your device. And in this case, you're looking into a fleet of informal bus routes in Mexico City. And all of this is possible thanks to the app that we built on an Android. We are currently working in building the exploration tool. And in summary, we think that Flock Tracker makes data collection in the field easier and better, more efficient. So we have already worked with many partners that are spread around the world who deploy projects on perception survey to social housing research and beyond. This helped us to develop and test our technology, but also to understand our potential users. So we are thinking of, this is the potential users we want to work with in the future. And currently, we want to focus on city governments, especially transportation agencies, city innovation departments, and smart city departments. So assuming we have a moderately complex project, we think Flock Tracker can reduce the time and resource spent from project design and training, data collection and analysis significantly. So being conservative, we are estimating that 1/3 of the time will be saved, and there will be less error in the data, which will allow people to deploy more innovative data collection projects, but also give them time to have better insight from the data that they have already collected. So this is very exciting for us because we want to catalyze data collection of information that doesn't exist in the world, which could be quantitative or qualitative. And our experience in the field really talked to us that there is a need for a holistic platform that allows everything to happen at once. And more excitingly, there is no market leader currently. We are now preparing for an open beta launch in May. And we are here because we want to connect to more potential users and industry leaders and investors. We would like to thank the Deshpande Center and our Catalyst Mike. And thank you. We are excited to talk more in the poster session.
Thank you.